At our previous episode, we bought a burnt Ford Mustang GT 5.0 for a price of a bicycle could cost. In this episode, we're trying to get it repaired and back on the road. So let's get started and see how everything went.
How you doing, guys? This is again Oleg, and that's a part 2 of the Mustang. Thank you for tuning in. So I'm actually starting this thing, starting the project, and our main goal today is to pull the engine out and transmission, suspension, everything out, just to clean the engine bay. And once we have the engine bay clean, we will go ahead and sand it, primed it, repaint it, and then after that we'll work on the engine. We'll take all the melted plastic tubes, hoses, and everything else out of the engine, swap the new ones in, and put it back together. Replace the suspension because there's some burnt parts right here, as you can see. That's insane. What kind of fire could have caused spring to twist like this? I have no idea. But yeah, there's quite a work to do, and yeah, let's get it started.
We got the full front apart, the radiators, condensers, literally the all front is gone and off the car. And look at the wiring harness, it's burnt really bad. All the wiring, there's some wires survived, but the most of it's burned. But from here and to the back of the car, everything looks fine. Let's see, the hoses are gone, all the belt. Yeah, let's dig into more removing process. We'll get this engine out of here and let's go.
Okay, so we got the engine out and already started uh, cleaning the surface, and it's cleaning actually really good. That's how it was right here. It's mostly something was just melting on top, and then I think I'll just need to clean this side up and then this side too. Clean it all the way. On this side, everything is okay. It's just dark because I don't know. I'll just probably spray this side too, and yeah, I'll just prep this both sides, and maybe we can have it painted, and then I'll start working with the engine. I've got it all sent out, and I even threw some undercoating inside the rail, so I'm not sure what the condition is inside, and also in this section. So all the inner pieces, I threw some primer, and it's undercoating primer all at once. Yeah, so it's all sent out. There's still some spots that I need to clean up, but I think I'll do it tomorrow because it's late today, and we'll just do some more sanding tomorrow. There's some spots that needs to be cleaned up a little better, and we'll go get some paint, and I'll get all this area painted, and I'll put one coat on this side too, just to refresh it. It's not too bad. This side is not burnt or anything like this, super crazy, but I would like just to refresh it. So I did a little sanding, and should be good to be painted. And we'll be moving to the engine, and then the wiring harness. I already got the new wiring harness. Already got a new brake booster. I've got a new ABS. I've got a lines, uh, like a fuel lines. It's not a fuel line. It's brake lines. Sorry, brake lines, and I think I'll need to find a suspension parts on the left side, because it's the bushings are burned, and even if they look fine, I would just suggest replacing them. And yeah, let me show you how the engine is. I'm really happy how the engine looks, and it doesn't look too bad or anything like this. So let's see. Okay, so as you may see, the suspension is destroyed. The bushings down here, ball joints. Uh, we'll install a new steering rack, because not sure if that one has any damage to it or no. Uh, the only thing I see is just slightly burnt um, connectors, like the main connectors. The steering itself, I wouldn't risk it. I have a parts car in there that I'll show you later that will be taking all those pulleys out, wiring. I have a whole bunch of new hoses, alternator. Yeah, so we'll just throw a new parts into this thing, or used ones, good working ones, and yeah, we'll let it go. I don't see anything too bad on this side. Um, it's just basically on this side there's cover like this that comes up easy, So this cover just got melted on top. That's why everything looks that bad. But in fact, it's not too bad. Let me show you. Intake itself is good. It just melted up top a little bit where the cover wasn't covering it. There's definitely some hoses, vacuum lines, like this is a fuel line or vacuum line. There's definitely burn wires, sorry, and that's a fuel line. But we got a parts car, as I said, and I'll use the fuel line, cooling hoses, everything. We'll use it from the parts car. Transmission itself is good. The engine bottom block and everything else looks fine to me. Even the engine mount is good. Even the cover did not got melted or anything like this. We definitely need a link, shock, all the control arms. New, I have used brake caliper. I'll use that one. I'll replace the rotor too, because from the heat it might just not being straight anymore. Yeah, so that's the plan basically, just to get that fixed, replaced, and work on the engine.
A few moments later.
It's actually the next day here, and check that out. We have this thing painted. Thanks to Serge, he was the one painting it, prepping it up, and this looks really good. You can tell that there was any fire or anything like this. It looks really nice, really clean, smooth paint. I like it how it came up. So we are gonna be installing the new wiring harness, a couple hoses, new seals and all this stuff. So let's get it started. We got this wiring harness installed, all new hoses, fuel lines, some brake lines. There's 2 brake lines that has to go to each front wheel too, and I'm gonna install those after I put the engine on. So basically we're ready to put the motor in, and that's what we're gonna do now. Let's go.
What's going on? We connected computer. We have power, everything turns on. When you went to click to start the engine, nothing just happens. A lot of things worked, but fortunately can't start the car for some reason. I'm gonna check the codes and see if it'll start. We did a huge progress. We fixed the burnt chassis, the paint. We installed everything back, suspension, all the hoses and stuff. There's still a couple of hoses missing. I mean, they're not missing, I just ordered them, just waiting on them. But my main concern is that I was not able to start the car because the computer tells me that the car is not seeing the ECU. Luckily, we have the body control module in good shape. The ignition turns on, the radio, everything, all the interior basically works. The only thing that is not working, it's not turning the motor. So we'll see. We'll have to work on figure out if new wiring harness is the same as the one that we pulled out of the car. If it is, then we'll be looking to reprogram a new ECU and to have it running. So yeah, we'll see how it goes on the next videos. Hopefully on the next videos, hopefully I'll be able to start it and show you how it turned out. We need to order a new windshield, new mirror on the door. So I ordered I bought a whole front set out of GT350. So we'll have a GT350 front on this thing. And you'll see it out on the next video probably. And we're gonna have to send it to the paint shop, get it painted. But first of all, I want to get the engine running. That way I'm 100% sure that we're good with the project. I'm really happy with the work we've done so far, and hopefully we'll have it running. Thank you so much for the watching. That's gonna be it for today's video. Hopefully next episode we'll have a big jump too, and we'll have everything ready for getting it painted. I'm just trying to get it running and then send it to the paint shop. And thank you so much for watching. If you like the project that I do, if you like the channel itself, please click the subscribe button, and likes, comments are welcomed. And stay blessed.